In today's routine, I will be sharing 5 moves to nourish your heart. Welcome to Happy Qi, Happy Me. My name is Nicole. Let's get started. We'll start off with some Qi massage. So we'll bring our hands into fists and then we'll massage or gently knock on our chest center, going up and down. This helps to improve the flow of Qi and release any stagnation so that the energy can flow throughout the body and in our heart. Remember to take deep breaths. And then we'll take one more deep breath, so breathing in and breathing out, release. Next, we'll start shaking into our hands, shaking into our arms, our upper body, and then we'll shake into the whole body. So this again, it helps us to improve any flow of energy so that it can travel and move throughout the whole body so that the Qi can move around. And also it helps encourage the flow of energy into those areas that we might not exercise normally. What we can do then is we can breathe in and sigh out with the heart sound, which is ha. So breathing in, ha. Doing that a few times, so breathing in, and you can also play around, say shaking a little bit faster, see how that changes the movement. And one last one. And release. We'll do some wrist circles. And what this helps to do is helps us to open up the heart meridian so that the energy can flow better. Doing a few more. And then we'll reverse the direction. And as they say, if we don't use it, we lose it. So again, we're making sure here, on top of all the heart benefits with this movement, we're also making sure that our wrists stay nice and flexible and subtle so that they can keep moving around healthily. And one last one, and then we'll bring our hands to our heart center. We'll breathe in, bringing our hands out. And exhale, bringing them back to where we started, to the heart center. Breathing in and out, opening up the chest and the heart center here. We'll do a couple more, breathing in and out, and one last one, breathing in and breathing out. So we're going to keep one hand up and we'll bring one hand below. We're going to be doing the movement cloudy hands, so we'll shift our weight over. And then we'll turn from the hips slightly, swapping our hands, and then going the other way, shifting the weight, turning from the hips, swapping the hands, and repeat. And with this movement, you can breathe in going one way and breathing out the other way. We are clearing any tightness in the chest, and you can imagine as our hands move through the clouds that those clouds are dark feelings and thoughts that you can just let go of, that just gently move away. Lightening up that heart center. We'll do a couple more to each side. And last one, doing the other side before we release. We'll finish off by bringing our hands on our belly. And if you like, you can close your eyes, taking a few deep breaths, so breathing in, allowing your belly to expand into your hands, and breathing out, allowing your belly to move back towards the spine. Breathing in, and breathing out. And one last one. Breathing in and breathing out. Notice how you feel. Let me know how this routine made you feel in the comments below. Also, if you have any routine requests, feel free to also share that in the comments. And feel free to share the video with your friends and family. I will see you next time. Bye.